This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura ZDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, hill start assist, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a rear-view camera, big 19-inch wheels, leather seats, cornering G-shift control, an electronic throttle, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering Greenwich Acura for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We are the tri-state area's only Precision Team Elite dealer. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in Greenwich, Connecticut at 343 West Putnam Avenue, just minutes from the Connecticut Turnpike. We look forward to serving you.